Hey guys, as some of you might know, CraftC has been having a small issue of high beams not working on some Corollas, including the GR Corolla, and luckily it's a much easier fix than we thought. You have to deepen the connector and move one pin around, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So to do this job, you'll need pliers and a flat screwdriver. If you have a deep pinning tool, it'll make your life a little easier, but it's not important. First, you take this connector on the control box and look inside here. You're going to look to see that these 4 ridges are at the top. Then you're just going to pull this out with your pliers. There's no clips or anything. You just kind of have to wiggle it out. There you go. And then you'll see in here are 6 pins. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. You want to move pin 5 to the location of pin 8. This will be done first from the back. You'll see that pin 8 has a little rubber piece to prevent water getting in. Just pry that out and pull it out with your finger. That easy. And then the next step is to pull out the pin. Now you can see here, when the light hits it, every pin has a little latch right there. So you just pry that latch down while pulling the wire out of the back. So I'm going to grab the wire from the back, position the screwdriver, and then bend that latch slightly down. It doesn't need much force. And then pull the pin out like that. Now take that pin and put it into number 8. It'll click in place like that. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Put that little rubber plug back where the original wire was in location 5, and then stick this piece in with the ridges up. And that's it. That's as simple as it gets. Now you put this control box back into the car and you will have working high beams.